This is the multi-tool guy here with a review on a very special multi-tool. We have the Victorinox alox limited edition 2018. This is a very expensive one. It's $80 for something very small. It's very compact. It doesn't have very many tools, but it's more of a show knife. I'll show you the tools. So we have a knife. It's the average knife. It's smaller to the average Victorinox. It's smaller this way, smaller knife. We have a unusual file. I'm not sure what it is. It works in your nails fine. We have a can opener, a small flathead screwdriver. We also have bottle opener or medium flathead screwdriver. Apart from that, it's alright. They just coated the aluminium plates with paint. I don't really like that because it comes off real easy, as you can see here. That was just from one drop. That's the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. This is the multi-tool guy signing off.